What is the future of printers in 2022 and going on into the future? Stay tuned because today that's what we're going to be talking about. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. And today I wanted to talk about what is the future for printers in 2022 and beyond. We're going to be talking about printer prices, potential new releases. We're going to be talking a little bit about supply chain, and then I'll give you a little bit of my advice of what you should do if you are planning on buying a printer in 2022. Now, if you're new to the YouTube channel, I hope that you will subscribe. If this video is helpful, please make sure to like, and if you have any questions at all, comment below. Also, the sponsor of this video is the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. You can find a wide variety of videos for different printer models on my channel. There's going to be a link for this product in the description below. Basically, what this product does is it helps you unclog your print head. That's basically for if you're printing blank pages, you're printing choppy prints, faded, or you got lines showing up on your prints. This is going to solve that. So there will be a link for this product in the description below. Go down there, get yours today, and get back up and printing normally again. All right, so I'm gonna do a lightning round of my predictions for printers in 2022. So my first prediction is about prices. My prediction is that prices will continue to be inflated. You will continue to see very high printer prices. The best prices this year for printers would probably be in the summertime. But overall, I do see prices continuing to go up with various different printer models, if not staying the same, going up a little bit higher. My second prediction is about new releases. My prediction is that HP, Canon, Epson, Brother, and any other offshoot brand are going to continue to go in the direction of doing tank printers, if not coming out with newer models of those tank printers. So for Epson, it's the Epson EcoTank, HP Smart Tank, and Canon MegaTank. All of those brands are going to come out with newer versions of their tank printers, more improved. I think there's going to be some more expensive models, but I believe they're going to try to get some less expensive models in there as well. My third prediction is about supply chain. I really do predict that supply chain issues will continue in all sectors that will affect printers as well. So you're going to see continued shortages of printers in the store, and even online you're going to see some shortages as well for certain printer models. So all of my predictions are basically continuity of what happened last year. I believe that's going to continue on into this year, unfortunately. Now, what can you do about all of these things that potentially will happen? I hope I'm wrong with some of these things, but it really does look like that's the direction we're going in with printers. So what you can do is you can look into less expensive printer models. I will always recommend that you buy printers from Amazon.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description below that is an affiliate link. If you buy any printers through that link, I will receive a commission. I buy all my printers directly from Amazon, and that's why I recommend it. I recommend that you get into a HP Envy, a Canon TS model, or one of the Epson EcoTanks. Depending on your budget, I would go in those directions, and you can look up any one of those that I mentioned in the search bar with the link that I'm directing you to. That's going to streamline your search. You can also go down lower on the page and you will see a comparison with other similar printers. So my recommendation is to buy a budget printer with budget ink. Always look at the price of the ink as well when you're looking at a certain printer, and you can do that again through the link in the description below. You can look up certain printer ink. Try to keep a good low budget on your printers. If the printer that you want is not available, the price is very high, get by with one of these lower and less expensive, more affordable options. And then once you see the prices come down, hopefully in the summer of this year, or maybe even next year, all this time you've been able to get by with a less expensive printer. And if you really are, all of your needs are fulfilled with that less expensive printer, stick with it. Stick with the cheaper ink and the cheaper printer, because you can really end up spending a lot of money on printers, especially nowadays with the high inflation. All right, so those are my predictions. This is my advice. I really hope that this was helpful to you. Again, there's going to be a link for the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, and then there's going to be another link below that for you to search up some of the printer models that I mentioned here in the video. Again, if this video was helpful, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.